finally headed back na. We finished having our breakfast.
Hello.
I'm so full because of Bulelo. Noodles lang naman yan. Finally. Kaway sa mama. Siyempre, nandito tayo here. Para tayo
Be cloudy. 30% sa weather official we reported prior to our descent. In accordance with Philippine regulations, all guests on board are required to wear face.
biglang
Seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt. To don, slip vest over the head. Take
How was the experience?
Hi. It's very roller coaster experience because we feel so stressed and then now we're so happy, like static.
Hindi ako nakapagpalban. May pang save ka mo ng bigote mo sa ano? Mamaya papasave ako.
OMG. The tour will start at 3:15 p.m. and we're so excited because we will have lots of knowledge that we didn't know. Sobrang ano naman.
Was it Lolong's bones?
I think yeah.
So,
Parang way of me, parang kapag-make.
yes, exactly. Para pumayag ang girl sa kanya or ma-attract niya, kailangan niyang i-
Surgeon ng babae.
So, good afternoon po sa lahat and we will having a tawag Kutsapi or Kudlungan. Okay, so that is the Boget song or the bird song. Back in the mountain. Of course, here we're not yan to catch the spark and when the smoke is visible, nilalagay lang po ni Mama sa dry leaves and he need to blow it harder until the fire will come out. By the way, ang paggawa po ng apoy ay tinatawag nila santikan. Santikan means fiction.
Parang bukid, nalilipa-lipa.
Kasi may ginagay pa po yung mga galing sa taas.
Their tricycle. It's like a car. It's like a mini car. I could be a passenger princess here. Diba? So cute. Yeah, so cute. So we're at Baker's Hills. Heel lang pala, walang S. We're gonna bake char dasal in Bakery's Hill, you know. It's very aesthetic. I love the design, the interior, diba? Yeah. It's like, it's giving.
Pakahalo mo yung condensa sa ilalim. Nagbablog pala siya. Gino lang pero kami. Olive oil ba ito? The peacock. Do you know why they are called peacock? Because they
Ayun na.
have a
Ay,
big...
kala ko yan na nila. Cock.
Oh, look at... Yun. Saan yung Honda Bay? Mga 8 po. Okay na po yun. Wait na lang natin magbukas.
Ano yan?
Ano?
Sa vlog.
Okay na. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Mitra Farm. Masaya. Dito ako.
So, I bought a stuffy toy for my doggy.
Hindi ka na bumili.
Wow! Brand ambassador. Charis! It's giving!
Ayun, tell us naman na kayo.
Our last destination.